How to get 30% off Temu coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna find the search box. Type in Temu coupon code and then search for it. Tap on website links will appear. Navigate to the spun website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Temu. You can see that 30% off, 80% off, 90% off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you wanna grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it. Now you can copy it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the code whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, click on redeem at Temu. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the website, you can log into your account, make your purchase and post it to checkout. While in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you're going to get the discount in your purchase. Likewise, you can also try out all offers, as on this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Temu. The process to use any of the offers is exact same. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to this one website, Groupon. This is also the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Temu. So this way you can easily get up to 30% off Temu coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.